Why we are yawning. Ever wonder why we yawn? It's not just because you're bored or tired. Yawning is actually your body's way of cooling down your brain. Think of it as nature's air conditioner. When the brain's temperature rises, a yawn can help bring it back down. But there's more. Yawning is contagious. Just seeing, hearing, or even thinking about yawning can trigger one. It's a deeply ingrained, primitive reflex that's still not fully understood. But next time you yawn, know it's your body working to keep you cool. So, keep yawning away. Your brain will thank you.